Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a photo story with AI on your Samsung Galaxy device. So your Galaxy can automatically transform ordinary photos and videos into a cinematic story. So the AI groups your best shot together, adds smooth transition, and even suggests music to match the mood. So let me show you how to create this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gallery. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on Stories. And here we'll go ahead and create a story. So at the bottom here, you'll see describe a story. So let's go ahead and say wedding 2023, or maybe you can say a particular event that happened last year or maybe some years ago. Or let's say, for example, if you have a pet, you can basically say something like cat, dogs, or parrots. So here I'll go ahead and create a story. My dog. So as you can see, it has created a story about my dog, the German Shepherd. It has also added a music in the background, so you can basically hear all that. So instead of a plain photo album, you get share-worthy highlight reels that feel professional with zero editing effort. So it's a brilliant way to relive a trip, a birthday, or a special memory. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a photo story with AI on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.